Let's take a look at what happened with Tesla today. So we closed at 292.98, up $11.03. That's 3.91%. Post market, we seem to be down by a buck approximately. So let's take a look at the facts first. So we are still into our downward channel. I'm going to say it until it's not true anymore. Downward channel, Tesla is still going down short term. Now, what happened today is quite interesting. We had identified the support at 273.79 right here. Big important support. Guess what? Let me go on the 1 hour chart. So let's look at the day from the 1 hour chart perspective. We opened at 279.50 right here. And we closed the candle quite high at 292.35. But look at the low of that candle, 273.60. And our support is at 273.79. So we are 19 cents off of the low. So we called it. And that low did not last a long time. It went boom to our support. Let's call it 273.79. It went there, then boom, came back up, but then could not break 293.35 right here. Could not break it. Came back down. Could not go lower than 284.24 right here. See? It started to make a higher low. This was the low. And then this is the new low. So we are seeing something like this right now. Monday, we could be having a little bit of a move up on the 1 hour chart. So we could not go lower than 284.24 right here. But towards the end of the day, we started to go higher again, but could not break above 293.65. 293.65 right here. So what can we do about this? What strategies can we apply to these facts? On Monday, if we break and close on the 1 hour chart above 293.6, then we should be getting stochastic over 60. Stochastic is at 55 right now. So with one additional candle, we could be getting stochastic over 60. So this could be a buy signal on the 1 hour chart. So this is what could be happening on Monday. Look at 293.65. If we break above, this is a buy. This is a buy, but it's not a long-term buy because on the daily chart, we have absolutely no buy signal. We are not bullish on the daily chart. Stochastic is super low at 13. So if we get a buy on the 1 hour chart, it could be a short-term buy. It could be just a little bit of a bounce, but we could be continuing down further in the week. So remember that you need to be in this headspace. It's not because Tesla could go higher and give us a buy signal on the 1 hour chart that Tesla is back and is going to be back up to $500. It does not mean that at all. Because we know that into a downward channel, we can have moves up, but what happens after most of these move up? Going down. So the same thing can happen right here. We could be having next week a move up, maybe to 326, maybe a little bit higher if we are lucky to 350. It's all possible. It's still within this downward channel. Then it could be continuing back down. It's okay. We can make money on the move up. And if we have a nice enough pattern right here, we can also make money on the move down. So pretty good. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. So we have VIX coming down a little bit. We are at 1962, down 1.5. So this should be helping a potential little move up next week. Bonds are continuing to fall. We are outside of our downward channel. So falling faster than our downward channel. This is pretty interesting. This should be helping the markets next week. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones, we closed lower than 43,339 yesterday. After staying above for 4 days, we caved in yesterday. But sometimes this happens. We have a close below and then we have a rebound effect. And now we have this rebound effect that's pretty clear. Nice green candle. Still no stochastic, so we cannot believe that we are going back up for good. S&P 500 also, we came back very close to support. Touched it, went a little bit farther. Okay, this is not super precise. The low of the day was at 58.37 and my support was at 58.52. I'm maybe $20 off of the 5,000. Still, it's pretty good. So we are bouncing on this too. So a nice bounce today. but it could be a dead cat bounce. So we should not get too excited. Same thing with Nasdaq. Look at this. Yesterday, boom, on support, boom, bouncing on support. So today was not too bad. Next week is another story. And Russell, the same thing. Russell, a little bit worse. It crossed it lower and now it's back above it. And let's take a look at the market as a whole. Lots and lots of green. So things have been rebounding today compared to yesterday. This is all that it means. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on March 10th. Next week, I'm going away on a cruise, so internet is going to be very iffy. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.